that he wants you to become, right? None of us are perfect. All of us miss kicks today. Who missed kicks today, right? Who shanked some punts today? We all missed punts, right? I was terrible at punts. None of us are perfect, right? It's obvious, right? But it's okay. We all fall short. We're not perfect. We're not like God. He's perfect, and he made us in his image. In order to be with him in heaven, ultimately, it's okay. He sent his son down to sacrifice his life. Jesus Christ, right? Jesus Christ sacrificed his life for us. All we need to do is believe in him. We don't need to make more kicks. We don't need to do good things just to earn our way. All we gotta do is believe. And so just my belief in Jesus Christ has shaped my athletic career. It's guided me in academics in school, and it's guided me in relationships with like my family and my friends. All right. So I wanted to tell you how important that was to me. It's really shaped my career, and I think each one of you guys has an awesome opportunity to get to know your Creator and get to know Jesus Christ, who died for each and every one of you guys. I really want you to know that. If you want to talk to me about that, I'd be more than welcome to talk with you. But like I said, great job. And as athletes in action, we go all over the world, and we do different sports in different countries. And I'd love the opportunity to come down to Mexico and teach you guys what I know. And you've taught me a lot too. So I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.